I love it. You didn't see it?
Did it?
The whole box is really good about.
Why would I want one of those?
Jake, look
Just
up
have
here.
cookie
Look
for
up
you.
here while you do it.
Where's the bowl?
I have it in the car.
I love it.
You do?
Did you get my plates out or something?
Uh-huh.
Who did it?
Nicole Donardo.
I love it. It looks so good. Thank you guys. Thanks. Y'all were creative gift givers this year. Love you.
Love you too, honey.